Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable tax bracket planning with SmartAsset calculators. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by navigating to the SmartAsset website. Once on the home page, locate the calculators section. Look for the tax bracket planning calculator. Click on the tax bracket planning link to access the tool. You will see the calculator displayed on your screen. Begin by entering your filing status, such as single, married, or head of household. Next, input your total annual income in the designated field. Make sure to include all sources of income, such as wages and investments. For more accurate results, add any deductions you expect to claim. You can also input any additional income sources that may impact your tax situation. After entering all necessary information, click on the Calculate button. Wait a moment while the tool processes your data. Review the results displayed on the screen. The calculator will show you your estimated tax liability and potential tax bracket. Pay attention to any notes or suggestions provided by the calculator. You can use this information to strategize your tax planning effectively. If you want to explore different scenarios, adjust your income or deductions. Repeat the calculation to see how changes affect your tax bracket. Take notes on any insights gained for future reference. After you've reviewed your options, consider reaching out to a financial advisor. This can help you tailor your tax strategy based on your specific situation. When finished, feel free to explore other tools available on SmartAsset. Close the browser window when you're ready to exit the site. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.